everyone, it's Nisha. So today I've got for you a new wig. Well, it is new, but it's not. So what I've got on now is the Raquel Welch Editor's Peak, one of my favorite wigs in the world, in my favorite color, shaded biscuit. Well, Raquel Welch just came out with Editor's Peak Elite. So the difference is the cap. I've got here another Editor's Peak, the original one in pale golden honey, and that's the cap. So as you can see, you've got the full monofilament, lace front, and open wefted cap. Elite has 100% hand-tied cap. So let me show you the cap on the Editor's Peak Elite. You've got again the lace front, full monofilament, and the cap is 100% hand-tied. So the difference is, can you see the wefts? So the hair is almost like sewn into the cap in wefts, in like rows of hair. On 100% hand-tied cap, each hair is individually sewn in to that cap. So this is like the best cap you can get. They are extremely comfortable, cool, and the hair movement is so much more natural because it is almost like that each individual hair grows out of your head. And also it gives you many more styling options, because sometimes if you pull the hair up on wefted cap or parted, you might be able to see the wefts, whereas with this one you don't. So this is the Editor's Peak Elite. Of course the hair pattern, the style will look tiny bit different because you understand when you have the wefted cap, the hair is sewn in totally different ways, so it's impossible to get exactly the same style. So that's why I'm wearing the original one first, and then I will put this one on and we'll see how different it is. Is it similar? Is it exactly the same? And I'm talking about the style, or does it look different? Okay, so this is Raquel Welch Editor's Peaks Elite, and in shaded biscuit, just like the other one, and I can see the difference straight away. It is much more curly than the original one, and because of that I feel it's tiny bit shorter, but it's beautiful. It's beautiful, it feels so comfortable. So here is the original one. I'm looking at the color as well. Now the color is the same. It might look a bit different because this is brand new, it's fresh, you know, this one's been washed. But yes, so it is definitely curlier. What I will do while I'm talking to you about this wig, I will put side by side a picture of me just talking before in the other wig so you can see the difference. So as you can see, it is tiny bit shorter, but I think it isn't. If you pull the hair down, it is only shorter because it's got more curls. It's gorgeous, but the front is exactly the same. I think the other one was parted on the other side. Remember, all the wigs come always parted on the left hand side, and I like my parting on the right, but sometimes they look fine on the left, and this one looks fine on the left. So Editor's Peak's got this little fringe, and that's just naturally in that wig. It's not that I've cut it out. And as you can see, the original one has the little fringe as well. So I think the only difference in this wig, apart from the cap obviously, is that this one is much curlier. So let me show you hair from all the sides. I love it, and you cannot go any better than a hand-tied cap. It just feels so comfortable. It fits perfectly. Is like I'm not wearing a wig. The lace front is beautiful. You know, you always get with Raquel Welch the lighter pieces near your hairline. It's exactly like the other one. It's just a bit more curly. Let's see what will happen when we brush out the curls a bit. Because remember, when your wig comes in, it will be a bit squashed and flat, and all the curls will be very tightly formed. You need to, you know, play with it a bit, rough it up at the root to just disturb all that hair being stuck together. But as you can see, you can brush the curls out so they are not as defined. That is, oh, that is gorgeous. Oh, this Editor's Peak is just the best wig ever. Looks like you've spent ages doing your hair. And the best thing about wearing a wig, of course, is when it's damp outside, if it's raining or it's humid, this style will just stay as it is. I love wearing my wigs when the weather is iffy like that outside, because I know my hairstyle will stay like this throughout the weather. Let me know which Editor's Peak do you prefer, the style, because obviously there is no comparison when it comes to caps. You know, the 100% hand tied is like the best, but when it comes to style, let me know which one you prefer. But you know, this is normal that this will be a bit different because of the way the hair is sewn in to the cap. So the wefted cap has like long wefts, like rows almost of hair sewn into it, whereas this, each individual hair is sewn into this cap. That's why they are much more expensive. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and stay fabulous. Bye.